Let's remake Bad Habits by Ed Sheeran. I'll show you how to find the key, chords and BPM, how to make that bass and kick in the chorus, and how to create that post-chorus synth. To make it even more challenging, let's do it all in 1 hour. And if that wasn't difficult enough, let's sing the lead vocal live. So let's see how that goes. If you want the final project, you can download it from the description below. Ed Sheeran, Bad Habits. You are no match for me. 3, 2, 1, go. Let's find the key, chords, and the BPM. Chords first. I'm going to listen to the bass. B minor, da 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 da, D major, da 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 da, G major, da 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 da, A major, da da, B minor, da 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 da, D major, da 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 da, E minor for you, A major, da 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 da. Back to B minor. Cool. G major the first time, E minor the second time. Cheeky. So that's it. Key, B minor, BPM. Let's click along to the track if I can find my metronome. BPM, 126. Hoorah. That was fast. Key, chords, and BPM after 7 minutes, 10 seconds. He nearly threw us with the E minor. Cheeky Ed. A cheek. Let's start off with the 4 to the floor because it will get us bopping straight away. Slice, drums, kicks, something electronic. The count, 4 to the floor, which means a kick on every beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. Marquee tool, drag across. Command J, which will consolidate it. Command or, duplicate it across. Nice. Kick after 10 minutes. Not too bad. We need to get moving now. To get vibing straight away, let's throw in the syncopated sub bass with that. Software instruments, Contact, Substance, a great synth from Output. It's got some mad sounds actually. That's not too bad. It just needs to lose some of the detuning. Let's record it in with this sound. Following the chords, syncopated notes, which means accent off the beat. B, D, F sharp, G, G, A, B, D, F sharp, E, G, A. That was so hard to say and do at the same time. I think we got it. Let's quantize that because there's latency. I do not want subs being different loudnesses. Fix velocity, fix note length, select and operate. Let's have a listen. Yeah, there we go. Sounding good already. Sub bass after 15 minutes. Ooh, that was nice and fast. I think that was not too bad. Let's have a look at the hi-hat. This is a real drum kit, so I might use this under some samples. Just like we've seen in like the Phineas remakes or the Charlie Puth remix, layers help so much. So let's put a layer of real hi-hat and layer of samples. Make that soft. Yeah, nice and closed. Oh, each hit is slightly different. Love that realness. Oh, so good. Bass again, hi-hats again, and that goes through all the post-chorus. Let's add more hi-hats on top of that. Ooh, what rhythm comes in? 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... Oh, that's an 8 beat. Splice, drums, hats. This one's closed. Kind of like this one. Might do a few layers. Throw in this matte hat. Move it to the downbeat. Fade the end. I also kind of want them to hit at slightly different times. That'll make it a bit more real. Let me leave the first one in time. Marquee tool, drag across, and we can consolidate that, or we could just Command or does the same thing. Go to the stereo panel, just make it mono down the center. The hi-hats are so loud. Okay, hi-hats after 20 minutes, 19 seconds. Oh, and I better save it. Thank you for reminding me. Bad habits. I have bad habits of not telling the time. We're doing okay so far, I think. Acoustic guitar, that post-chorus melody thing. There. Time to shred. Ooh, that was hard. I have not played guitar properly in a while. Get rid of some of the low end saturation just to boost that signal. Fab filter. 32 minutes, 20 seconds. That took far too long. The guitar playing is a bit rusty. Let's find the synth that's playing the same line as that. I feel like Serum might be my best bet. Software instrument, X for records, Serum. Let's see if we can find something nice. Let's see. Let me just turn it way down. It's so loud. Have me banging doors, bars of chocolates, out the door. Do you know? Let's go with this PL beepy thing. Let's record this in. I should know the line. There we go. Oh, too many effects in it. That's pretty cool. It's so mad. Okay, there's that synth line after 38 minutes, 13 seconds. Of course, we're going to sing the lead vocal live, so we should be okay. There's not too many vocals in this. That does save us quite a lot of time. I'm feeling quite hopeful. The guitar sounds like it has a bit of chorus or something on it. And also, I feel like there might be a triple on that synth line. Let me get some micro shift, but let's go for the micro shift on the guitar. Give it kind of weird stereo stuff. I feel like there's a... So like a 16th rhythm. We had the 8-beat rhythm before, and now we've had 16th rhythm that's sidechained to the kick. Actually, a little bit of sidechain could really help. Kickstart. The kick is every 4, so 1/4. Cool. We can throw that guy on the other hi-hat. Woo! Popping away. Oh, there's a tambourine 1, tambourine 2. There's snares as well. Did I just leave out snares? Let's put in some tambourine and snares and claps on the 2 and the 4. 43 minutes, 10 seconds. I spent a bit of time planning there. We could do it. We're flying, we're flying. Let's just get some nice sounds. Splice, snares. Oh, that's a nice sound. So the snares are relatively quiet in this. They don't really get in your way. A snare on the right and a snare on the left. Verb there just coming afterwards. I think that verb is actually kind of cool. Get a tambourine. I want a tambourine sound. Throw them all in. When in doubt, perk it out. The 2 and the 4, but let's get them flamming. So hitting at different times. Give it that thickness we all desire. I just need to turn them down. There you go, that's a bit better. Marquee tool and command or. And maybe every second one's slightly different. Sweet, okay. One more snare to really punch down the middle. Lice, drums, snares. Yeah, rim shot would be good. Yeah, rim shot helps so much. Oh, that rim shot helps so much. You can give it a little bit more beef if you needed to. That's super stuff. That's great. Oh, what time is it? 51 minutes, 51 seconds. Okay, we've got 8 minutes. It's Ed Sheeran, so there has to be more real guitar in it. I won't have it any other way. So chords. Woo, just about. Bit of multi-band compression on this. Really bring out the percussive in the highs and dampen the low mids. A little rhythm, guitar, clarity. There we go. Okay, 1 minute left. Get a quiet texture playing the chords. Just holding the chords as we go along. Do I have that in any other instrument yet? I don't. Texture synth to hold the chords and then we'll sing the lead vocal live. Okay, we've got 1 minute. We can do this. Okay, here we go. Record it quickly. Sounds nice. Oh, so good. That kickstart on that synth, so good. Put some of our crashes and swells and impacts and risers into it and we're good to go. And that's time. Boom. Yes. This is a great tune. I really like this one. Simplicity wins the day. Although I am surprised how few vocals there are in it. Really few vocals. Just that lead, I suppose. All right. We'll be singing live. I have to be rude not to. Here we go. Here we go. I've missed saying that. That was fun.
My bad habits lead to late nights standing alone. Conversations with a stranger I barely know. Swearing this will be the last, but it probably won't. I got nothing left to lose or use, or do my bad habits lead to wide eyes staring at space? And I know I lose control of the things that I say. Yeah, I'm looking for a way out, now I can't escape. Nothing happens after 2, it's true. It's true, my bad habits lead to you. Ooh, my bad habits lead to you. Ooh, my bad habits lead to you.
Yes, you. Yes. I think we kind of got it. That was hard to sing. That's so high. Ed Sheeran is something else. What a man. What a man. What a mighty good man. Woo. Will you watch a few more videos?